Hey, hi guys. Today I am discussing on operations management. This was SEM 2. The first question is about location decision. You have to mention about various factors that are considered while selecting a location decision. So in the introduction part, what you have to do is define what is location decision and how you will establish the business location so that it is beneficial. So basically location decision means you have to select a particular place with regards to various factors which would be included or which would be considered while selecting a setup for a business. So this is how you start with the introduction, mention say 100 200 words on this, and then you mention about the different factors that are considered for the location decision for the setup of a business. So the points that I have mentioned as factors that will be considered for location decision is proximity of market, demographics, remote business locations, competition, infrastructure, future growth, economic policies, availability of resources, and there are many more which are available. So you can Google search this that what are the factors that would be included while selecting a location decision. And then in the conclusion part you mention how will these factors have the impact on selecting a particular location as a business setup. So this is how you complete the first question. Moving to second question, you have to mention about the different inventory management techniques that can be used in this medical shop. So in the introduction, mention what is inventory management techniques, what are the uses of it. So basically, it's used for ordering, sorting, inventory management, and then delivering the product. So this is what you mentioned in the introduction. In the concept part, you mention about the different techniques that can be used. So the different techniques that can be used is ABC inventory technique, bulk shipment, just in time, FIFO method. FIFO is first in first out method. Consignment technique, back ordering, inventory cycle, drop shipping. There is docking, cross docking. So these are the different types of inventory management techniques which can be used. Now for a medical field, medical shop, or a medical warehouse, anytime there can be multiple inventory management techniques can be used. You have to select any one out of this. For me, I would definitely use a first in first out method. Why? Because the medicines do have expiry and that needs to be really it is a important product because it deals with medicals and life. So that is why it is a must that the product should go on time. Before it expires, it should be sold. So for me, it is first in first out. You can select any of the technique and you can justify the answer that why are you selecting this particular technique. Now moving to third A, this is about quality, and you have to define different dimensions. You have to mention about the different dimensions of quality. So what you do is in the introduction part, mention what is quality, define quality. How would you define quality in a particular product. Then in the concept part you have to mention about this dimensions of quality. So the various dimensions that I have mentioned is performance, reliable, confirmations, aesthetics, attractive, the packing, perceptions. So these are the types which I have mentioned. There is much more that is available on internet. You can search for that and you will get the details of dimensions of quality. And then in the conclusion part you mention about how does this quality help in selling a particular product, or the advantages of having a proper quality in a product. So this is how you complete the third A. Moving to third B, you have to detail about this bill of material. Now what is bill of material is all the list of components and instructions that are mentioned with regards to raw materials, or the tools, or the products that are used for making a particular product. So if I define bill of material, it is a list of components, instructions, or other raw materials that are used to develop a product. So this is what is bill of material. You define it, you give some meaning to this, search on net, you will get the different bill of materials for every department. It will not remain the same, it will vary from company to company, from business to business. And then in the concept part, you mention about what is bill of material, how is it used, what are the benefits, because it is just a general bill of management material what you have to mention. So there are a number of things what you can mention. Write it in your own words, do not copy paste. And then in the conclusion, what are the uses of this bill of material. So this is how you complete the third B, and complete the operations management assignment. The assignment is very easy. Data is available on net. You can Google search it. In case if you don't find, buzz me, I will send you the links. And the last message which I wanted to pass on, just day before yesterday, we have the results of March exams which are out, and yet there are many people who have buzzed me saying that okay, we have received copy case. Guys, be careful. People are doing blunders. There are many companies who just say that okay, we will give you the assignment at cheap rate, but be careful for this. They just give you data which is being sold from to each and every one at a cheap rate, and if you upload the same assignment, you will get a copy case. Be careful. Please write the assignments by your own. Look out for data. You will get the details. So complete your assignments. And for sem 2 guys, I am sorry, I apologize, I could not upload all the videos at a time. This is the final video and I am completing sem 2. Thank you. Best of luck.